Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a young girl named Lila. Lila was known throughout the village for her curious spirit and her deep love for the natural world that surrounded her. She had a heart full of wonder and a pair of sparkling green eyes that seemed to reflect the very essence of the world she so dearly cherished. One warm summer evening, as the sun began its descent behind the hills, Lila decided to embark on one of her adventures. She slipped out of her cozy cottage and into the meadow behind her house, where the tall grasses swayed like emerald waves in the gentle breeze. The air was alive with the songs of crickets and the sweet scent of wildflowers. As the twilight deepened, Lila noticed something magical happening before her very eyes. In the midst of the meadow, a soft, ethereal light began to glow. She watched in awe as hundreds of tiny, luminous fireflies took flight, their delicate wings shimmering like miniature stars. They weaved and danced in intricate patterns, casting a warm and enchanting glow over the meadow. Lila's heart leaped with joy at the sight of the dancing fireflies. She longed to be a part of their mesmerizing dance, to twirl and whirl with them in the moonlit meadow. Without hesitation, she extended her hands toward the glowing insects, palms open and fingers outstretched. To her amazement, the fireflies responded to her invitation. They circled around her, illuminating her silhouette in a soft, golden halo. Lila laughed with sheer delight as she spun and leaped, her heart and soul in perfect harmony with the fireflies' enchanting ballet. As the night wore on, the meadow became a stage for a magical performance. The fireflies' dance grew more intricate, forming intricate shapes and patterns in the night sky. Lila joined in, her every movement mirrored by the graceful fireflies. It was as if she had become a part of their world, a dancer among the stars. Hours passed in what felt like mere moments, and as the first light of dawn began to paint the sky, Lila knew that her time with the fireflies was coming to an end. With a final, breathtaking display, the fireflies spiraled into the sky, their luminous bodies creating a dazzling fireworks show that left Lila breathless. With a heavy heart, Lila watched as the fireflies faded into the distance, their light becoming tiny specks in the early morning sky. She knew it was time to return to her cottage, but she carried with her the memory of that magical night and the feeling of being one with nature's beauty. From that day forward, Lila became the storyteller of her village, sharing her wondrous encounter with the dancing fireflies with all who would listen. She reminded them of the magic that could be found in the simplest of moments, in the beauty of the natural world, and in the dance of fireflies on a warm summer night. And so, in the heart of the village, the legend of Lila and the dancing fireflies lived on, a testament to the enduring enchantment of the world around us and the wonder that can be found in the most unexpected places.